Tourism policy, see, we are given information, though I am not on the state, but we are given information that it is going to affect. See, if everybody is saying something, the government job is to listen. If you recollect, in the past when there was Congress government, special SEZ issue, आमचीच policy. But the government to revert it back. But bulldozing these things without discussing and consulting stakeholders may not be in the right direction. So we were given inputs that, maybe Algona is not a big tourism village, but you never know. There are many people who depend on tourism. Taxi car also, and we are concerned about marginalized stakeholders. आणि आमचे पंचायतीचे इश्यू आलो तो हाऊस टॅक्स जाय तेलो फारीक करून for whatever reason, we are not going into the reason. We have made an appeal. There are suggestions that are come how to recover it. We'll make an effort and hopefully to the tune of almost 19 lakhs. That's big amount for us.
37 years रोमी लिपीक जागो घेवंक ना आनी आमी हाका लागून ग्लोबल कोंकणी रोमी लिपी फोरम घडोवन हाडलेलो आहा आनी हे भाशेन आमी सगळ्या विलेजींनी हे रेजोल्युशन आमी पास करून घेता आनी आल्दोनकारांक परबी आमची ह्या आल्दोनकारांनी आमकां हे रेजोल्युशन पास करून दिलें हे बरें करून सरपंच आनी आख्खे ग्रामपंचायती